Hello, this is Lars from COLOURLOCK, and this is a C1 Corvette dashboard, and yeah, we have a customer wish. He has a dark blue interior and he wants to replace the old dashboard to this dashboard, and of course he wants to have a matching color to his rest interior. So he asked us to change the color from this light blue to this dark blue. That is what we want to do today. Okay, first step is preparing the surface. So if you have a dashboard or surface who is dirty, we start with a mild or strong leather cleaner. It's not the case in this here because it's a brand new dashboard, just in the wrong color. And the first step what we want to do is to open the surface that we get a good bounding. And we use a GLD solvent ND, what is a not dangerous good solvent, who has this nice attitude that the surface will open and we get a good bounding later. And yeah, I have Benedict from Detailing Philippe with me here. So it's a well-known YouTuber in Germany. He has an own web shop, an own detailing shop as well, and he will help me to change the color on this dashboard. Thank you for this. And now we start. So I already mentioned we want this blue color on the dashboard, and yeah, you can mix and match the color by your eyes, but you can use also the Color Scanner Pro, and that is what we want to do now. So we will match this color with the Color Scanner Pro. So after color mixing with the scanner or with your eyes, depends on what you prefer, we will do a final test on our final application area or surface, because this bright color will press a little bit underneath the darker color, and maybe the color is too bright after this and we have to adjust a little bit. Maybe not, we will see. So I will spray a spot here and then I will check with my eyes how close we are or not. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we did a testing here, also with a hard line, just to see better if the color match or doesn't match. It matched well. It's a little bit too glossy, but this is something what we adjust with a clear coat later. We want to use a top coat matte. So, and when we check on the original part where we later want to spray on it, we see it match also very well. Yes, too glossy, but this is something what we do with the top coat matte later. In this area where it's a little bit matte, we already see that works very well. It's not just covering enough. So yeah, we can work with this color. If not, then you have to adjust a little bit with a color wheel. But in this case, our Scanner Pro was very helpful. So first we removed the test spot with the GLD, and the first layer what we want to spray on it is a plastic primer. It's a plastic primer ND, what means it's water-based, so it's a solvent-free version. And the next nice thing on this is that we can cross-link it. So I will put 100 ml inside this bucket, and then 5% from 100 ml is 5 ml. That is nice and easy. So 5 of this here inside. Clean the injection, then put a cap on it. We have some nuts inside also. Shake it well. Our cross-linked primer, plastic, 2 thin layers with the spray gun. That's what we do now. So I did now 2 thin layers of the primer, the cross-linked primer on the surface, and I dried with the heat gun, and I recommend not to go over 350, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, because if you make it too hot, maybe you melt the surface and you remove the grain inside. So, but you can dry it just to work faster. You can dry it also on air, but with a heat gun or with a hair blower, it just goes quicker. But don't do it too hot. 350, 400 is the maximum in this case. Okay, great. So 2 layers from both sides primer. We dry it with a heat gun. As I already mentioned, you can do also air dry. Don't go over 350, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next step is color, also a thin layer, multi-time layers, and we will cross-link it also. So we have our color, we have our cross-linker, and we will put, again, 5% cross-linker inside. Yeah, so the first layer has to be a little bit cloudy. So don't try to get already a nice finish. Just spray a thin layer over it, dry it with a heat gun or let it air dry, and just do it cloudy, because that you don't get any runs or something like this, and a good base. I take this gloss now because I want to open this area, spray there. I want to open this area here, and I don't want to make my hands blue completely. Okay, next thin layer. So 3, 4 thin layers, and final testing. I grab the leather, even if you can't see me, but I'm back here. Okay, and yeah, looks good. And you have to know when you mix and match the color and you do a small spot, it should be different to a bigger area. So maybe you have to adjust again when you spray a little bigger area, but in this case works very well. And maybe a little bit too matte now. We need a little bit more glossy, but this is something what we do with a clear coat, what we call in the leather working top coat. So we have top coat matte, we have top coat gloss, and we can mix this together. And I want this semi-gloss, so I will put 80% matte, 20% gloss, and 5% crosslinker. What means this is 200, so I need 5 and 5. And then again 2, 3 thin layers. Okay. Okay, so final testing, of course, is color match, yes or no, but we both are happy with the color matching. It's the same color. Next thing is test with your hands if everything is smooth and has a nice touch. If not, you can polish the surface with a 4000er sanding pad or 4000er polishing pad. This is so gentle that it doesn't remove any top coat or anything else, but it just remove or get rough areas soft again. And then on the next day or day after, apply the artificial protector to seal in the surface, or use leather shield, the sealer, to seal in the surface, and that's it. Don't do it straight away, because this both are water-based products. This is a water-based finishing, and if it's not 100% dry, what is it, not before 24 hours, then maybe you remove your repair. Okay, that's it. Try again, or try by yourself. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your help. See you in the next video.